Hey there again, Tulsa. It's Jonathan Witte, General Manager of the Oliveto Italian Bistro here at 91st and Memorial. Today I'm going to show you how to make a classic Italian dish, the chicken Parmesan. This entree is something the whole family can enjoy, even those picky eaters. Let's go back to the kitchen and I'll show you how it's done. A good chicken Parmesan starts with a thinly pounded chicken breast. This makes the chicken more tender and ensures that it cooks evenly. After we pound the chicken, we hand bread it with flour, egg wash, and our seasoned breadcrumbs. Next, we cook the chicken until it reaches 165 degrees and it is golden brown. Now that the chicken is ready, it's time to plate the chicken Parmesan. First, we place 2 ounces of marinara sauce on top of the cooked chicken. We top it with provolone, mozzarella, and Asiago cheeses. We broil this until the cheese is golden and bubbly. Next, we place 6 ounces of heated thin spaghetti on the center of our plate, and we top that with 5 ounces of our hot marinara sauce. We'll gently place the chicken on top of the pasta and garnish with fresh parsley. So that's it, a simple Italian classic. If this entree looks good to you, let us make one for you today. Or better yet, let us make one for your whole family. Our chicken Parmesan is one of the entree choices in our popular Italian takeaway. The Italian takeaway features your choice of one of 3 amazing pasta entrees, a pan of our house or Caesar salad, and an order of our hearth-baked cheese bread. This meal will feed a family of 4 to 5 for only $38. To receive our friendly curbside carryout, call or go online at olivetobistro.com. If you prefer delivery, you can order through DoorDash or Grubhub. We look forward to feeding you soon.